Hey guys! Today we're going to open Lego Friends heart-shaped boxes. So we have a small heart box and a big heart box. The characters we have here are Olivia, Lady, and Vicky. This is what it looks like at the back. It also has a lot of accessories. Okay, let's open it up. So here we have the instructions. You also have pack number 1. And pack number 2. Okay, let's build it. Okay, we're now done building. Here we have the characters and the accessories. Here inside we have Lady, a dog bone, a party hat, and a golden crown. So in the big heart box, we have Olivia and Vicky. This one, here's a book. It says, Once Upon a Time. Here we have a golden fireman's hat. We have a neon wand, a megaphone, a fire extinguisher, a syringe for doctor and a police hat, a microscope, pirate's hat, and these two are to hold the heart boxes.
You show them later.
Okay. A chest with some stuff inside.
Treasure chest. Show what's inside the treasure chest.
Here we have a blossom,
You get
a
it.
ribbon.
Get it. Put it.
Olivia has a blossom on her hair.
You can change it. Can you show me? Like that. Show. Wow, nice.
We have a potion, a phone, a frog, an astronaut's helmet, a wizard's hat, a
It's
wrench,
like a
yeah,
thermometer. Wrench.
a suitcase with something inside.
What's inside, Macy?
This. A gun
Where?
here. A stop sign for police. An axe for fireman or woman. And an extra syringe. This inside
Oh,
the
nice.
heart-shaped box.
Okay.
It can hold up the heart, even if it's so heavy.
So
Okay. I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also like.